Hello everybody and welcome back to the McCalls Kitchen. We hope you all are enjoying your summer holidays or the heat in general. We've had such good sunshine here in the city. We're here today to decorate a fun wedding cake, something that you probably don't see that often. We're going to be decorating this together using all McCalls products and some stuff that we picked up at the grocery store. I'm going to take you through everything today. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you do subscribe below. We have a lot of fun summer videos coming with a fun ice cream video dropping next week, and let's get started. So today we are making a cupcake wedding cake with a little cake at the top. I know it sounds like a lot, but essentially this is a simpler version of a wedding cake that you can have at your event. It's really easy because you can just grab and go with your cupcakes, and it's a lot more simpler, especially if you don't like the grand wedding cakes that we've been seeing. This is something that I would personally love. It's rustic, it's earthy, and we're going to be using some touches of gold today. So we've got the McCalls Sprinkles with us, including the new gold rods that McCalls has come out with, some gold leaf, which you all know is my favorite. We've got a wedding topper from McCalls as well. This one says Our Wedding, and we're going to be using McCalls Buttercream. These are some greenery that I picked up today, and we're going to be using them to fill in the gaps to create a beautiful wedding cake. And lastly, the stand. You can use any stand that you have, but if you prefer an acrylic clear one like this one, you can grab it at Amazon, and it kind of just brings everything all together. So now that we've gone through all our products, let's jump into decorating. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going row by row and adding icing to each cupcake. I have a McCalls Piping Bag here filled with buttercream and an open star tip. It's one of my favorite tips to use. It's a classic, and we have our cupcakes. So for these, I'm going to go with a rosette today, and I put a plop of buttercream, I pull up, and then I go around that we're going for. And now to this we can add some sprinkles because of course it is a wedding and we want some glam. So we've got our first one done there, and we're gonna work down row by row. This fits about 24 cupcakes. You can squish in a couple more if you want, but it kind of looks nice when everything is balanced. So we've got our cake at the top, which will give you about 10 servings, 8 to 10 servings, and then 24 cupcakes below. All right. Now, finally, our sprinkles and our gold dust here. All right, so we're all done with our cupcake decorating, and we've got our cake on top ready to go. The last thing would be to add our fillers. I'm gonna start to stick it into some empty gaps. We're gonna start with our biggest leaves first, which are these guys right here. And you can also snip them smaller with scissors. So as I'm going in, I'll cut them accordingly. With all our leaves on here, now we can see the empty gaps and fill it in with our smallest greenery that we're using today, which is our baby's breath. And our finishing touches are all in. Look at how nice it looks with the greenery. It's so elevated. It really gives it that wedding look, and it's so earthy like I mentioned before. The greenery just brings out this nice rustic feel to it. Now we can take it a step further and add our cake topper, which we're gonna do, and some gold foil, which you guys all know I love. I'm only gonna be adding the gold foil to the cake because I feel like the cupcakes look just good with the sprinkles that we have on there. Ta-da! It is all done. Look at how perfect this all came together with everything that we used today, the gold foil, the sprinkles, the topper. I absolutely love it. It's all ready for its event. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. You can shop all the McCalls products online or in warehouse. And if you are shopping online, make sure to use my code Fiorella10 to save 10% off. This is available for members and non-members, so everybody can use it online for shipping or curbside pickup. And make sure you stay tuned for our next video coming very soon. Bye guys.